How to use the Cropy AI mobile app, the #1 car photo editing application for car dealerships. Tap the logo icon below to create professional car photos. Select the photo studio and get started. Give your car a name. You have two options for uploading photos. Take professional pictures with the AI assistant or add them from your gallery. The AI assistant guides you to capture professional car photos with perfect angles. Easily upload by selecting a photo from your gallery. Increase your brand awareness by adding a logo to your vehicle's license plate. Cropy AI changes backgrounds and license plates in just a few seconds. Customize your images by selecting one of the background theme. Compare the before and after views. Review each of your vehicles in a single view. Add your own logo to the background. Edit the vehicle position with rotate, move, and resize features. Set your download preferences by adjusting resolution and format settings. Click the download button to save your photos to your device. Boost your sales by creating professional car photos with Cropy AI.